In just a few weeks, the new iPhone 17 series will be launching, and today, we're diving into the 13 biggest changes and updates coming to the iPhone 17 Pro Max and iPhone 17 Pro. But before we jump into the details, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. New titanium to aluminum frame, a subtle yet significant change. The first major change you'll notice is the frame material. Apple is switching things up this year by going back to aluminum instead of titanium. Camera module gets a bigger and better design. Camera module on the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max is also getting a significant design update. The rear camera area will be more expansive, moving away from the typical protruding square camera bump. New anti-reflective screen coating on the front. The display is also getting an upgrade. The Pro models will feature an anti-reflective coating that promises to reduce glare and improve outdoor visibility. Upgraded RAM for better multitasking. Expect a performance boost with the new iPhone 17 Pro models, which will come with up to 12 GB of RAM. This is a noticeable increase from the current 8 GB of RAM found in the iPhone 16 Pro series. 5. The A19 Pro chip. Faster, smarter, and more efficient. As always, the new iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will feature a new A19 Pro chip. This chip promises to bring major improvements in speed and energy efficiency. Upgraded front camera, 24 megapixels for crystal clear selfies. Speaking of cameras, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will come with an upgraded 24MP front camera. This jump in resolution will allow you to capture more detail in your selfies, even when cropping or zooming in. 7. 48MP telephoto lens for Pro models. For those of you who love to zoom in on your subjects, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will come with a 48MP telephoto lens. New color options. A fresh look. Apple is also introducing new color options for the iPhone 17 Pro series. Expect to see a sleek dark gray, a sophisticated light black, as well as bold, fresh colors like deep blue and orange. These colors are designed to make the Pro models stand out, with the orange variant already generating quite a bit of buzz. There's also talk of a new liquid white color that will match the iOS 16 aesthetic, but we'll have to wait and see if that comes to fruition. Battery improvements. A little more juice. While the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max won't see a huge leap in battery size, we can expect a small increase in battery life. With an improved 5% boost in the Pro Max version, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will likely last longer than its predecessor, making it even more reliable for heavy storage and price. More for your money. Apple is also adjusting the storage configurations. The iPhone 17 Pro will now start with 256 GB of storage, a step up from the 128 GB base storage in the 16 Pro. This comes with a slight price increase of $50. However, if you're looking for an even larger storage option, expect to pay more for higher capacities. As for the 17 Pro Max, it will see a price increase as well, likely $50 more than the 16 Pro Max, bringing the base price to $1,249. That's it for today. Which feature are you most excited about with the iPhone 17 Pro series? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be comparing the iPhone 17 Pro with the iPhone 16 Pro Max right here.